हेलो स्टूडेंट, वेलकम टू प्रायशेजू। स्टूडेंट, आज हम देखेंगे क्लास 7 साइंस सब्जेक्ट में जो हमारा 9th चैप्टर है हीट, जिसमें हम एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस विद आंसर्स देखेंगे जो होंगे आंसर इन वन सेंटेंस, डिस्क्राइब ब्रीफली एंड शॉर्ट नोट। तो चलो शुरुआत करते हैं आज के इस वीडियो को। लेकिन इसके पहले स्टूडेंट, मेरी आप सबसे एक रिक्वेस्ट है, फॉर मोर वीडियोस, वर्कशीट्स एंड टेस्ट पेपर्स काइंडली विजिट एट www.prayasheju.com। तो चलो आज के इस वीडियो को शुरुआत करते हैं। फर्स्ट है यहाँ पे आंसर इन वन सेंटेंस एंड फर्स्ट वन इज व्हाट इज कंडक्शन एंड द आंसर इज द ट्रांसफर ऑफ हीट फ्रॉम अ हॉट पार्ट ऑफ सॉलिड सब्सटेंस टू इट्स कोल्ड पार्ट इज कॉल्ड कंडक्शन। नेक्स्ट वन है व्हाट इज कन्वेक्शन एंड द आंसर इज कन्वेक्शन इज द हीट ट्रांसफर ड्यू टू बल्क मूवमेंट ऑफ molecules within fluids such as gases and liquids including molten rock. Next one है what is radiation and the answer is transfer of heat of electromagnetic waves is called radiation. Next one, what is good conductor and the answer is solid which conduct heat easily are called good conductors of heat. Next one है write the name of good conductors and the answer is silver, copper, iron, aluminium, brass, mercury, etc. Next one है what is bad conductor which do not conduct heat easily are called bad conductor. Next one is write the name of bad conductors: water, wood, glass, air, cotton wool, cork, etc. Next one है what is thermoware and the answer is thermoware is something which doesn't allow heat and warmth to escape from anything. For example, good quality tiffin boxes, sweaters, etc. Next one is how does a fever get lowered with cold compress on forehead of a patient? And the answer is a cold compress absorbs some heat from the patient's forehead as water slowly evaporates from the cloth and lowers the body temperature. Next one is write the name of heat transferred modes and the answer is conduction, convection and radiation. नेक्स्ट वन यहाँ पे है डिस्क्राइब ब्रीफली एंड द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज एक्सप्लेन द कंडक्शन ऑफ हीट एंड द आंसर इज हीट कंडक्शन इज द मूवमेंट ऑफ हीट फ्रॉम वन सॉलिड टू अनदर वन दैट हैज डिफरेंट टेम्परेचर व्हेन दे आर टचिंग ईच अदर. Medium in the form of substance is required for conduction of heat. Conduction cannot take place through vacuum. Solid substances mainly show conduction. Next one है explain the convection of heat and the answer is the convection is heat transfer by mass motion of a fluid such as air or water when the heated fluid is caused to move away from the source of heat carrying energy with it. When heat is given to the vessel, the water near the bottom of the vessel becomes warm. This decreases its density. In this convection, currents transmit the heat. Convection requires medium. Next one है explain the radiation and the answer is the transfer of heat that takes place without a medium is called radiation. It is passed on in the form of electromagnetic wavelength. Radiation does not need any medium. Earth receives heat and light due to radiation from the sun. Radiation is often categorized as either ionizing or non-ionizing depending on the energy of the radiated particles. Next one है यहाँ पे short note and the first one is write the short note on thermos flask. And the answer is a thermos flask has double walls which are evacuated and the vacuum bottle is silvered on the inside. The vacuum between the two walls prevents heat being transferred from the inside to the outside by conduction and convection. With very little air between the walls, there is almost no transfer of heat from the inner wall to the outer wall by convection. Conduction can only occur at the points where the two balls meet at the top of the bottle and through an insulated support at the bottom. The silvered walls reflect radiated heat back to the inside. Function of thermos flask is the inner surface of the vessels is shiny so heat is not lost by radiation. The enclosed air is a bad conductor of heat, therefore the heat is not lost by conduction and convection. The plastic lid does not allow transmission of heat. Food stuff remains hot for a long period. सो स्टूडेंट, ये थे एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस विद आंसर्स जो हमने आपके लिए तैयार किए हैं. मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि ये सभी क्वेश्चंस आपको आपके आने वाले एग्जाम में बहुत ही यूजफुल होंगे. तो स्टूडेंट, अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आता है तो इसे लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर करना. सो स्टूडेंट, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.